The United States rolled out the most ambitious vaccination program in American history, to the applause of workers at Pfizer's Michigan vaccine plant. It is a test of an unprecedented national effort to save millions of lives in the nation most ravaged by the pandemic. Workers load dry ice into boxes containing the super-chilled vaccine, kept at -70 degrees Celsius. Then, in a scene not witnessed in this century, vaccine-bearing FedEx and UPS delivery trucks are escorted by U.S. Marshals. The shipments are expected to reach the first 145 locations on Monday and a total of 636 by Wednesday.
20 million vaccinations this month, and then we think we'll be up to 50 million total vaccinations of people by the end of January, and 100 million shots in arms by the end of February, just with the Moderna and Pfizer vaccine.
But amid the celebration, there are warning signs. To achieve the herd immunity necessary to stop the disease in the U.S., virologists say 75% of the public must be vaccinated. But in a study of one healthcare system, Florida's Jackson Health System, half of the healthcare workers said they would not be taking the vaccine. Another 35% said they would not take it in the first round. The head of the U.S. National Institutes of Health says that's a major concern.
I would like to plead to people who are listening to this morning to really hit the reset button on whatever they think they knew about this vaccine that might cause them to be so skeptical. Please, people, when you look back in a year and you say to yourself, did I do the right thing? I hope you'll be able to say yes, because I looked at the evidence.
Across the U.S., the virus is reaching new peaks. The state of Mississippi reports it now has no more intensive care beds available.
What I fear that people do not understand, however, is that the resources are finite. They are finite. There gets to a point when we have to say, we don't have another place to put another patient safely. We can't do it.
With nearly 300,000 dead and new infections rising, the human toll continues to mount. John Hendren, Al Jazeera, Washington.